Ngibingelele ngiphinde ngamukela abaqala ukuba kwiMalusi TV bese bengakhohlwa ukucindezela usubscribe button.
Today, my mission is only to announce the way forward. The formal launch of MK Party and the announcement of the interim leadership and party list will be done in the early part of 2024. At the stage, we will also report back to the nation on any progress in the discussion on much needed Black unity and the patriotic front discussion. Due to the toxic atmosphere caused by our captured media, judiciary, and other arms of the state, it was necessary to conduct these discussions underground. We will soon be ready to share the details with the nation. No force can defeat a people's thirst for freedom. I thank you.
This is what I wanted to say today to the country. I've been part of the struggle for a long time. I sacrificed almost everything, ready to die. Was lucky I didn't, many of my colleagues did. And I would love the colleagues and the countrymen, particularly the pastors, that for us to arrive at the right point, I would request you, because we have been talking with you, that at some point next year, we should organize a national coming together of the Christians, of the South Africans, to pray for our country, to get back where it is supposed to be. As I said earlier, the traditional leaders who have been put out of everything, yes, and yet they are the owners of this country. They literally have no role in the running of this country. And yet they are called Amakhosini, but they don't have a say. This is their country. Yes, government must be there, but we belong to ourselves, and government is elected by us.